Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today it's my son's birthday. There isn't like really. Do you like the way this smells? No, come back. Fine, I'll play with it myself. Look, Captain. Look. No, he still wants the treats. I wonder if I could put treats in here. Probably. I think this did say toy, like treat dispensing. Let me get that and open it. Ooh. My son's a genius. He's not really playing with it though. He just kind of wants the treats. Or maybe that's Jesus. Maybe that's like the whole point. I don't know. Already down to 2. Except there's one behind him, but he'll never notice. Actually, there is no more treats in there. I guess both of them fell out. Now he's just gonna knock this over because he thinks there's still treats in it. My bad, dude. Chill. Chill with that. Do you like the way this smells? Do you like it? He doesn't really care. Let me see if... I'm gonna put some catnip just like on the table. See if that literally does anything. I don't know how much is too much. Cats don't really eat this, do they? It's just like a thing. You just want the treats. Ooh. Look. Do you want catnip? Okay, this was all for Captain's birthday party. He still has the octopus, but he tends to not play with that. Look. Okay, no, just... Oh, now you want the catnip? Okay. But yeah, other than the treats, I think he's probably just hungry, though. I did feed him. He's just big, but thank you all for coming to Captain's party. We appreciate it. Isn't that right? Alright. What's up, YouTube? Top.